Okay, good day mga ka-Airsoft. Good day po sa inyong lahat mga kabigman. Mabilisan vlog pa ho tayo ngayon, no? Episode 11 of our Mabilisan vlog para sa ating ka-Airsoft from Haro. Hindi ko alam kung paanong proper na pronunciation, no? From Haro, Iloilo. Okay, our gentleman from Haro, Iloilo nag-request ng unit. Okay? So, ang unit niya is the 6.0 2011 High Kappa from the Rex family. Kung tawagin nila to, di ba kung familiar kayo, meron tinatawag na IREX, meron tinatawag na T-Rex, meron tinatawag na Allosaurus, Brontosaurus, ganun yan. Yun yung kung tawagin yun, mga Rex family yon. Mostly of them is 2011 High Kappa. Okay, itong unit na to, ito yung pinakamahaba nila na version, which is yung IREX. Okay, what is good and special about this? Naka-optic rear, naka-optic front, naka-magwell. Okay? Then, added pa dyan yung features ng mayroong rail. Rail for the upgrades like flashlight, like laser. Kompleto yung unit. Okay? Itong unit na to is naka-island barrel. Kung mapapansin ninyo, okay, meron ditong ganito sa ibabaw, slotted holes, no? Itong unit na to is